Hello. My name is Christopher, and I am a JuicePlus representative and distributor. I'm just going to do a quick video to show you how I prepare my shakes, which I take as food supplements. I love this product. I take them pre and post workout. And so basically, this is the product that you are seeing here. And here in the United Kingdom, it goes for £34.75 per month. Basically, you get 4 months worth of supply. This complete comes also in chocolate, as you can see here, chocolate shake. You can buy, different bundles, the chocolate and vanilla bundle. But today I'm just going to do a very quick video just to show you how I prepare them. So basically you need a blender. So this is a blender that we have, and comes with this stopper which has got blades, and then this is the bottle that goes on with the blender. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in here milk. It is recommended to use semi-skimmed milk, but generally I love to use almond milk or soya-based milk. So here I have this milk, which is basically soya, but I don't like soya myself anyway. So I'm going to use almond original. You can get this almond from any recognized supermarket or corner shop. So basically what we do is we take 250 mils. So we add 250 mils. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is 200 here. So that is just about it anyway. I think we've gone up just a little bit over, but that's fine. And then what we're going to do is now we can make this is vanilla flavor already, but we can add fruits, we can add other ingredients to make it more nice. And in this particular case, I've got some fresh fruits here, these grapes. So I'm gonna just drop in some few grapes in there because my son wants to eat grapes, and he wants them in a shake. So I'm just gonna drop a couple of them here, and he wants a lot of them. Yeah. So again, these you can get them from supermarket. And I'm also going to add some pineapples. So I've got some pineapple slices here. I'll put them there. I've got 2 of them. And I also have other fruits. For example, this is mango. These are frozen. You can get these frozen fruits from Aldi, from any supermarket basically. And keep them in your freezer, and anytime you want to make a shake, you just get a bit and use. So let's see, I think today we can just take maybe 1 or 2 scoops. Yeah, all right. So I defrosted these, so just put a few scoops there. And we also have these are blueberries. Okay, so we can add some blueberries also. This is not open. So let's open and take some blueberries. I love blueberries, so we'll just put 1 or 2, and that will change the color. I'll give it a nice color. Okay, so some blueberries there. Yeah. So what else do we have? We also have strawberries, frozen. But I'm not going to add these ones because my son doesn't want them in there, and I want him to enjoy this shake, right? But I'm just showing you There's also summer fruit vegetables. They've just defrosted here, as you can see, but you can get all these fruits from any leading supermarket, right? So once we do that, then what we do is now we put the stopper on there, making sure that the blades go inside, and we tighten it nicely. Okay, once we do that, then we now put this on top of the blender here and fix it nicely, right? So once it's fixed nicely, we make sure it is plugged in and we press the button to blend. Right? Okay, so that's it. I think it's done. So we just unplug it from there and our shake is ready. So what we have to do now is to remove the stopper, right? And we just replace the lid and the bottle. So this becomes a drinking bottle, so you can just take it as it is with that stopper. It's well secured. Put it in your rucksack as you go for work. You can have this for breakfast. You can have this for, you know, as a snack during the day, or as a meal replacement, right? Okay. Now there's something that we haven't added actually. I've just realized. You know, can anyone notice? We haven't added the powder. This is interesting, yeah. Okay, so this is the vanilla shake powder. So basically, you know, this is what we're supposed to add, and it comes with a scoop. And this is the scoop. So we just get one scoop, you know, and we are going to add the scoop. All right. Yeah, just one scoop. Right, we should have added all the ingredients at the same time, but we forgot, you know. But it's not the end of the world. At least we know, you know, that's how it's supposed to be done. So yeah, we'll put it back on the blender here and let it blend again. Yeah, okay. So basically what we've added is complete shake, and this one is vanilla, which is the one that you are seeing on the screen here, okay, which you can buy from my website. I'll put the link right below this video. You can just click on it to take you to my shop and you can order yourself there, right? Or when you scroll down here, you see other products which you can buy. Once you do that, you can get in touch with me. I'll put my contact details there as well, so that I can give you a detox plan if you want to use this as a meal replacement for weight loss. Okay, so let us do it. Okay, I believe it's done. Okay. All right, and let's test. This stuff is so nice. It's just so nice, so fantastic. Wow. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and there's a link just below here leading to my shop where you can purchase this product. Or if you want any further information regarding a detox plan on how you can lose weight or how you can maintain your weight and any other products, please check my website through the link that is just below this video. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. God bless you. Bye.